I'm going to use this mannequin hair to show you all how to make the trending Koroba African hairstyle. Okay, guys. So there are different ways you can make this Koroba hairstyle. There's a cornrow version of it, but this particular one I'm going to be showing you is the one that is in braids, knotless. So I'm going to go first of all to make my knotless braid first, and by knotless braid I mean I'm going to cut out my hair, start braiding the hair first, and then I'll just go ahead and start feeding in the extensions. Okay, so for those of you that don't know how to do your knotless braid, just watch closely and I'll show you how to feed in braids. So this is the color I'm going to be using for the hair. So I'll just go ahead to start braiding the natural hair first. Then after braiding for 1, 2, 3, 4 times, depends on the length that you want, I'll just go ahead to start feeding in my extension. So this extension I'm feeding it from the back, or is this sideways, if you understand what I mean. I'm not feeding it from the top, so that way the extensions that I'm going to be adding is not going to be so obvious. So that's how I normally would make my knotless feeding braids. Okay, just like this, I'm going to gently pull at the side and then just go ahead and weave my extensions together with my hair, and I'll get my braids. Okay, so welcome to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I'll just stop talking right here. This video is very self-explanatory and I believe you're going to understand it at the end of the day. Okay, just keep watching, guys. To give that pop of color, I'm going to be using this gold color in 27, and I hope it turns out and it comes out nicely and beautiful. Okay, let's just see, guys. If you've gotten value so far, have you subscribed? Please consider subscribing. Just subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Hit the like button and comment what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. I'm more than willing to respond. Okay. So here's the final result, and when you're rolling and wrapping the braids, ensure that you wrap it in a position where you want it to be. If you want it to be long, you make it longer. If you want it to be short, you make it shorter. And I hope you enjoyed this video and you've learned from this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.